How to roll back to a previous driver in Windows 11. If you have recently updated a device driver on your Windows 11 HP notebook and are encountering errors, you can roll back to the previous driver to potentially fix the issue. From the taskbar, search for and select Device Manager. Double-click the device type to find the device with the recently updated driver. Right-click the device you want, then click Properties. Click the Driver tab. Select Rollback Driver and follow the prompts to complete the process. Note, if the Rollback Driver button is dimmed and cannot be selected, the driver has not been updated and cannot be rolled back. Once the rollback process is complete, restart your computer. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.